This is Building with Papa. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. Okay? Enjoy this video. Okay. We're set up now. We're going to start doing the trim work, the crown. We've got 2 coats on all the mud, which I haven't gone through all that with you, but I've taken a few pictures, which I'll incorporate that, and then we'll show you how we're doing the finish mud. But right now, today, we're going to start the crown molding in here. So again, we're on this soffit, and we're going to go ahead and cut this crown and bring this around the soffit. And Kevin had already cut the back side, put that up. He attacked it. Now he cut the front side. He's 45 both. Remember, I told you what is the bottom of a crown and what is the top. I showed you that in my balance video. And then we're just tacking it right now, working our way around the soffit. Okay. If you can look at the soffit up in the top there, you'll see Kevin already measured them and marks it up on the drywall. Okay, so that when he's cutting the piece, he doesn't have to remember it. He cuts his piece and then he gets up there to install it. Drywall ceiling so we can. Okay. All right. There he's married them together. We do remember when we were cutting the drywall, there was a low spot in the ceiling. So he brought his, where he tacked it off is in there, and then he takes care of the corners. Okay, as you can see, we're putting up the crown now, but we come up to an AC duct. Okay, so the crown won't go past it, so we do a little return right there. All it is a straight cut and a 45. Then it makes a nice return. Your AC duct grill goes in and it finishes it off nicely. All right, what I wanted to show you is when you're doing an inside corner, you run your crown all the way into the corner, and then the piece that butts up to it, you coat it. Kevin's going to coat this one for the other piece of crown now. So what are you doing, Kevin?
Well, first you gotta start with a nice back cut angle, and when you cut the crown, you cut it on a 45 on an inside corner, and after you cut it on the inside corner, you simply follow the profile of the crown with the cutting saw.
Okay, now he's ready to put that up to the next piece. Okay, so you see we ran the one straight into the corner. Kevin coped the other one, and now he's going to line it up. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So we did the same thing in that corner. Ran it square, straight to the back. He'll cope the next piece. All right. So we coped that one. Putting that in. And again, now we have another return next to an AC grill. Okay, so he did the return at the grill, just like we showed you on the other one. We're finishing up the trim where it butt together. We're did a 45. Okay, we'll glue them and staple them. But you can see, you know, when you're working with an existing ceiling, you try and keep your crown straight. There may be a bigger gap to caulk or do whatever you need to do, but this way you try and keep your crown molding nice and straight. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe and give a comment. I would enjoy reading your comments. It will help me to put more things up if you're interested. And this is Building with Papa. See you on the next one.